around the world. Good one. Why the fuck is the audio? Oh, that's right. Where is it? Jeez. Could be much louder than it's supposed to be. Why is there no? Why is there no audio coming through the speakers? Oh my word, it is high. Like blurringly high. Also, yeah. Headphones, please. That's better. One hopes. For some reason, VLC decided to do 100% volume. I have it. That might be better. Oh, alright, give me a minute. Always takes longer than I think to get started. Alright, let's get started. Oh, woo, boy. There you are. I see you watching me, watching you. Oh. What can I say? Let's just open with I'm a very shit streamer. And I stream in hope that I might be able to get better. It's gonna be a long way. And come on, that's live. So am I that pale looking? Yes. Sun is shining today, as you can see, so therefore I'm washed out. I could reduce the light a bit. But no, I'm not going to. We can be pale for a change. It's all fine. Good. Yes. The dreaded third mission. I say dreaded, but hey. Yeah, okay. So it comes. Ooh-doo-doo. Da-da-da. Ready. A delay on there, so that. Up we go. Spoilers ahead, maybe. Depends how you look at it. 4, 5. Uh-huh. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's see. going to use the Greek alphabet. Try and get some interest dialogue. Get rid of Grammarly. The quality of that has gone downhill since they're all trying to do freaking AI stuff. And it's just like poor effort, really. So. My other glasses. Get them on before I start straining my eyes. My glasses. One moment. Oh. Yeah. Clean enough. Just a bit of general smog in the area. Now, I got that, and then that's at the start. So we now need, well, just duplicate that, go down here. And then, what is it? It's escort objective, or is it station? Vessel. SD name, was it? Escort. Objective. Like that. See. So we get there when we get to player in range. Ready to. Like 33 as well, don't we? 32. Well, why don't we just keep it simple? So player in range, 32 active. Well, that's not a success. So first of all, I guess now really objective is going to be this is where we get to break things to. That's the station. Get that. That. That's going to be nope. Wrong one. Try and give it meaningful names. Helps. Especially when the triggers get really high up. That's you. So really, it's like firing range of that. So we update that objective. Then we'll wait 3 seconds. And then we can do 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh, 32. 33. I don't know why I deleted that. Didn't need to delete it. So there. Got to wait 3 seconds. Oh, we can just like not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. That's all. I'm sending 8,000 megabits a second directly to YouTube. And it's saying, no, you're not doing enough. It's like 177 megabits per second going out. But that also includes, well, I'm looking at the wrong fucking machine, to be honest. That's actually everything going to the other machine. So I wonder. This is only doing, what, 18, 17? Not really much more than 20 megabits a second. That is hardly anything to be taxing that computer. It's more than capable of doing a lot more. Would only get worried if it's outputting more than 100 megabits a second because yeah, Virgin Media don't like to do symmetric internet just yet, unless you want to pay extra for it. Blah. No thanks, it's expensive enough. Just I get the feeling that using 1 gigabit internet is really overkill for me. Nice to have, but there's no way I'm actually even using it like to the best of my abilities. Though I must say, uploading Steam builds is fucking fast now. Well, how often do I do that? There we go, and only 30% CPU load. 30% on the GPU. So why is it only saying only 13 is used there? Where's the other half coming from? Well, 22% from OBS. Yeah, OBS is saying it's only using 13. It's a bit of a liar. It's not being honest with me. So, where are we? Set fire. Approach station. 28, 29, 30, 31 to 32 to 33 and just put a delay on there. Oh, we could put it on there because we're updating the objective and we know we want to give ourselves 3 seconds to play the sound before we do another sound. And then I mean, literally it's a chain dialogue. Despite this being an escort mission on the face of it, it's not going to be actually. Not at all, you know. Oh, blah 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 blah. And then spawned station. We haven't given it a name. So it'll be aptly called station. Oh, what do they say? I don't even know. Leave it there for now and come up with fluff when we need to. Oh, I don't even do that, so we'll get there and then we can do 34 at that point. So you active. 35. $36. $37. Uh, hmm. Unique names. 5, 36, 37. Then I guess. Uh, That's it. What do we call it? Escort 3. Call it that. This. Uh, do, 35, 36, 37. Hmm. Hmm. Ugh. Now, 5, 6, 7. As well, so your, and then And we can just enable autopilot for now. Probably going to be some more dialogue going in there. Alright, so that's normal. Reverse. Delatania. Oh, that's perfect. Apart from the autopilot's now enabled. Where are you going? Oh, that's interesting. ISS escort. No. Okay, I see the dialogue there. _1. Of course, at least the naming convention is correct. Background, blah, blah, blah. _1. That'll do there. Let's see now. We do that dialogue. And then it's like wait a bit longer. Do we have that? No. Monitoring, escort, yeah. We didn't update the objectives, did we though? Da, da, da. Escort. And then Ow. All right. Speak English, please. So set the objective when we're setting off. Nine. 3 seconds. 10. And then, well, we'll just do autopilot for now. Even though I might as well do that. Where get rid of that. Let's see. So we have 2. And then excuse me. It's just a lot of testing. Make sure everything's working correctly and in order. Also gives me a sense of feeling of how the mission flow goes. Too fast, too slow. Generally it's just a bit too slow, even though there's tech stuff going on. You should be like, travel forward a bit and then change direction. You shouldn't be named 1 at the end of that anyway. But you are, so you know. Oh yeah, of course it is. Why would it not be? Oh, quite why the underscore disappears. New. Anywho, there we go. Did it even all update in the blink of an eye? I completely missed it. Rewind. Check it out on the stream. See, this is great. You can just see stream. It would be great if it would actually do. Approach station, yeah, there we go. And then it sets off, get the monitoring set, but it didn't update or add the new objective. Oh, no, it did. And then the escort comes in. A little bit late, but yeah, it does it. Oh, ads. I'll just take a moment to a quick break. Hokey cokey. Not rewire that and put the hashtag. Excuse me. Right. So that just quickly rounds that one off. Now to deal with this mining group. So how do I want to handle these dudes? So there could be. What's condition 2, eh? Bloody hell. Let's see. If civilians, well, we're either going to be friendly or if civilians neutral, else hostile. And the question now is, with that, well, let's spoilerific this. So we got that. Also, we have just there. Healthy sickness. What? See, that goes away the dodo because we changed that, didn't we? So we got the allegiance. Never got to worry about this. Whether or not they are sick or not. So really, then it can really make a bit of a difference, I suppose. Let's see. Oh, so we got civilians killed, civilians escaped. So really, yes, that could be a bit of an issue. So if friendly, well, let's see. So it's going to be like if the sickness severe. Then I suppose the that bad guy group. If severe, if friendly, because it's like really bad and the Opera are like freaking out. Let's see. However, they've got lower numbers because, you know, so we deal with severe, and then we need to deal with, well, I suppose we could just deal with what? Let's see, if moderate. Blah. So when it comes to moderate, then if friendly, let's see. Else. Well, neutral, then they don't do anything. You see what's coming? The worms. So we have now, we covered the severe sickness, the moderate sickness. And then we got to do the law of slight. Right, medium numbers. Whatever that is, like. Bit of a difference. How many ships are out in the boot? Else. And there's more of them. And then it's like how to make this slightly different. Well, other than higher numbers, is there really anything different there? Well, if we get high numbers, then players done really well, so then therefore we are actually making the mission a bit more difficult for them. Well, they've proven they've got the skill to do so, so they should be able to handle that. For now, anyway. So, severe, moderate, slight sickness. And then well, we're changing that, aren't we? Let's keep that simple. Let's see. How's about not sickness, but allegiance, isn't it? So if this can be the interesting part. Was hostile, and everyone was involved. Go to war else if neutral. No, we can do that. So we're always there, no matter what, because we got tied up. However, so if they're hostile, then we're not going to go to. We'll go to fuller. If we're in interceptors, then we've been quick enough so we can go to 3. Otherwise, we'll just fall back onto 4 anyway. Because we're not in a fast enough ship. Well, we could have an alternative one, but what ship we got actually assigned and unlocked. I'll worry about that later. If a player fleet contains hang on a minute, that's going to be the same, isn't it? If they want that. No, I'll just do that. Shall we? And then if we get to nav 3, then there's an event going to take place. Otherwise, nothing happens. Apart from bad shit. And the shit then hits the fan. Basically. That's the idea. Sorry, the fat hits the fan. And that's how it would then turn out to be a disaster. You know. Posture check. Oh. So let's handle that then. It's like, move on to the next. Yeah, let's do this then. Now that we've pseudo-coded the mission, we now it's to put it into practice. So we have variable, change, variable sickness, and then what did we say? Sickness is 1 for slight, 2 moderate, 3 severe. Badong. So about I'm just changing the order. So that it will always default to be the back case in case scripting breaks for some reason. Let's just give the worst outcome possible. It'll be a bit more obvious as well for me if it does break. Ooh. Now, so sickness is equal to 1. So this is slight sickness. That also means that we need to spawn additional ships. I'll think about that in a moment. So, slight sickness. So I'll handle it all in these conditions. And then allegiance is what? Friendly, neutral, hostile. 1 is friendly. Neutral is going to be 2. 3 years. But guys, driver needs help. Amazon delivery. Is he at my door? Last time he was at my door. No, I'm not there yet. Not delivered it anyway. Okay, where are you? Are you around the corner? Are you coming? It's like a new thing as well from Amazon. Driver needs help delivering your order. I'm arriving with your package soon. Secure pets. Turn on the light if it's dark. Hurry up, here we are. Here we are, here he is. Mr. Amazon Prime delivery driver. There's always like multiple deliveries around this estate, so he couldn't have been that far away. Oh, there he is, he's coming out of his van. Up he comes. I'm watching him. Just pounce on him at the door. As if he just knocks on the door and walks off. Yeah, delivery on porch. Knocks on door. And off he goes. Well, I got myself a sad lamp. Interestingly, there's a there, can you? There's her in the box. Whoa! It was just dox myself. Alright, and then maybe a video. Alright, this is just a quick recording of slight cosmetic damage to the box. Doesn't seem deep. Like goes there, just in case it turns out there's damage, then I've got video evidence that I have not opened the package. Currently, it's in a sealed container. It was only delivered a moment or two ago. Oh. Let's see if this sad lamps makes me happy. Oh. Well, it looks like it'll be alright anyway, because the way it's packaged is the actual lamp is on the opposite side, and it would have gone on the bottom end of it rather than the top, where then it probably would have damaged it if only that thing would work. Oh. Because otherwise that probably would have damaged the product. Let's get this set up. Unboxing video. You don't get to see it. So yeah, given the UK, he doesn't have a great deal of sun, and when he does, it doesn't stay out for long. Quite like that. It's called a sad lamp. You can't see it, can you? Let's see. Let's do the filtering thing. Filters. Background removal. There we go. Background removal's off, so you get to see it. So yeah, it's called a sad lamp or a well-being lamp or whatever. This one is a Bureau well-being daylight therapy lamp. So, a box on there. It's just a bulb. It's supposed to give us 1 lumen. It doesn't seem to have a stand. Oh, yes, it does. Very flimsy. That'd snap off with a slight bit of pressure. And, good old UK plug. UK. So the idea of this thing is, like, I'm in a room and I'm maybe getting 200. What do they call it? Knit, which is like 20% of a lumen. You have this lamp, which then provides you 100% of a lumen. Therefore, it makes you feel better. Yeah, lux. Called lux, isn't it? Is that what it is? And 10,000 lux. Oh, it's even worse than I thought. So 10,000 lux is a lumen, is it? And then I'm only getting 200 lux, or I'm not even getting 2% when I'm in the room. Once I go outside for half an hour, I think that's generally there's enough sunlight per day if you were lucky enough to be somewhere in the world. You can get enough sunlight per day. Always practice safe sun. Let me just plug this in and we'll see if it works. I was expecting the cable to be longer, like 3 meters. Barely 1.5 meters by the looks of it. Put it in there, underneath. And then turn it on and let the magic happen. Oops, watch me. That's bright. I'm looking bright. Where can I put it now? It was like, hey, I've now got my stream lighting set up. Woohoo! Oh my word. Oh. Should have had more sense to be looking directly at them leaving. Put it to the side and then I'm less likely to blind myself. Have to unplug it. Put it there. We'll get side lighting maybe, or front lighting. Mm, mm, mm. Magic moments. Suppose I don't want it directly in front of me, so I'll put it at the side. It's not like I'm going to get a suntan from it. There's no UV in it. Just have to puff around with the wiring. And the monitor we go. Yep. Ah. And we'll see over the days whether or not Oripy lights actually bloody do anything or not. Oops, shit, I just need to freaking clean up and shit around. Ugh. Okay, let there be light. A relaxing light. Is that a bit too much? Might be. You know, not really good for streaming, is it? Yeah. Background removal. Ah, there we go. I just don't have any face. Lovely. Yeah, that bit started there with the lights. The most brightest of things. How do I look like? I've just got like massive light there. And it shines off there, so that's shit. Maybe. Maybe let's not have it on while we're streaming at the moment and use it for its intended purpose later on. Oh. Looking into light, you blind yourself, you dumbass. So yeah. I might need a wee. Be right back. Yeah, okay. Whoop. Oh, yeah. Let's handle these conditions. First condition then. We've got slight sickness and friendly. Da-da-da. So that's our condition of being that. Then I want two sets of enemies. First of all, look at placement. Just put you guys there. Well, now we're going to change things up a bit. So now we're going to need to spawn. And then oh, that's the beauty of this. We can use our spawn pools. I don't know. Tier 2C, that's well. Opponent, opponent, opponent. 4, 3, 2. What got them for? I can remove that. Station fighters there. Lead holding. So back to the conditional actions. Spawn pool. Spawn rebels. And to rebels. There we go, into rebels group. And to rebels. Funnily enough. over, and now I need to know what I had set. So we got a random vessel name, and then I can't remember what the key is. So let's have a look. Key is warship transport. Name. Okay, and then rebel. And then what was that? 25, 1, 2, 3, and move that to 10,000 that way. Rotation is I always get that one wrong. On the y-axis. That's wrong anyway. That should be like 180. What the hell happened to that? Oh, look at that. Something's not quite updating. Whatever. Why has that become an issue? Oops. It's 275. It's facing them. Oh, it might not need to. And there, it's like either that. The medium spawn rebels. Same position. And then high spawn. So it's one or the other. Regards to this, then oh. So I'll do the low spawn. No, it's high. It's the high spawn numbers because the sickness isn't bad. Okay, that. Neutral. Neutral on 2. And then it's still going to be the same, isn't it? Bring that up there, bring that up there. Bring you up here. Neutral, so what we want is it's calling the same thing anyway, and then but it's the other one that we need to deal with, and that would be the shall we just got to say duplicate? Well, you can't duplicate. Forgot fleet holding rebels, add a faction, call it Civ, and we could do it that way. Or we could spawn it and then change. Let's see. Transport, no. Mining, no. Mining. Pro fighter, large, small, I'm guessing. Nope. It's like, it's the prologue. So you've got pro fighter, the mining barge, all these numbers there. Just go. Low. Make it neutral from the start. So And then... why am I... Four mounting barriers, large, small. Why can't I do that in there? Is it listed somewhere else? For a station. What? No, I'm not going to worry too much about it. It's all placeholder at this point anyway. So... it'd be under... There it is. There it was. So, we have that, and then... that doesn't work. Let's just keep it simple for now. Leave it neutral. And back to the spawnies. You can just do like so loose spawn sieves. Opposite side. Face off. I spawn. Not rebels. Group. Oh, there we go. And 2 civs is there. Just make sure the identifiers remain unique. Excuse me. Now the well, so we do that and that. The interesting thing would be so we spawn it and it spawns sequentially. That means make them hostile or neutral. Based on, oh, well, why am I doing that? If that's friendly, we spawn them as NT civs. And then we can set civ as friendly. And therefore we can remove the conditions because we're no longer checking conditions. We don't want to fail. So when we come in there, hello Pingu. It goes good. How are you doing? You're having a fantastic day. Ooh, and then we don't need to actually set speeds on that, so we get rid of this. I am just scripting missions, a space game that I've been making for a while. And I'm on the second level in that mission, if you want to call it that. So friendly, hostile, sets of intent as hostile. And then how can I quickly test that? It's one of those things, isn't it? Oh, posture. We come and set this up in here, don't we? We set states, outcomes, debugging. Set it there, so then just need to stick autopilot on there and not bother enabling that. So sickness is going to be what did we say? 1 for slight. Allegiance friendly. And then we can also file it straight to the next nav point. I'm missing everything in that scene just to see how this loads up. There we go. So we have friendlies. Only one friendly and 4 of you. Oh, okay. So where's the rest of them? Did I spawn it correctly? No, obviously not. There's only one. Interesting. Didn't I just like copy and paste? Or did I not update the spawn pools numbers? 2, 3, 1. Oh. Da, 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 da. What am I doing? Try again. There we go. Yeah. Woo! Civilians are gonna get owned. So, sickness 1, 2, that should make them neutral. And as far as I remember, neutral is neutral to everyone. No, continue. I wanted to stop. Said I wanted to stop, so stop. Yeah, they're not moving, that's fine. These are. Kill all enemies. Oh, kill all enemies also kills neutrals. Because it's anything that's not friendly. And then Civil Alliance. Didn't we check that they were hostile in the first place? Nope. So now everyone doesn't like us. There you go. Nobody likes us. Yeah. Let's see. Flight address, rear. No, that wasn't the thing, was it? Yeah, I know. With some changes in conditions. Starting to get a bit of process flow going now. It's always hard to get started, and even at times when you get started and feels like an uphill struggle most of the time, and then eventually you might get into the flow. I'm sort of feeling a bit of a flow now. So when you get in that flow state, you want to carry on with it. You don't want to lose that flow state if you feel like you're doing good. So at least either get it all written down sufficiently that you can do it, or someone else can do it. I think that's the term, isn't it? Write it all down that someone else who read your notes can do it themselves, so you can do it later if you're running out of time. Or just get it done if you've got the time. You know, nothing more pressing going on. It's the best way to generally deal with it. Because otherwise you'll just keep ended up being in that same uphill struggle state where nothing seems to be coming together. And that is something that I did when I was much younger, in my late teens, I think it was. I was in my early 20s. Because I got as far as making a space game, but 2D top down. And it gets to the point where I needed to create a level editor, and then I just gave up on the level editor because I was doing manual scripting, and then I broke one of the missions, and I got like couldn't figure out how to fix the mission. And it's not like it was Unity with an actual editor you could modify. It was like, no, you got to hit play mode and see it all done and create your own tools on top of that. So including literally create your own freaking buttons. So yeah, that really dissuaded me or disheartened me enough to stop doing that for many years to come, unfortunately. And then eventually we've picked it back up, and here we are. So it's just one of those things, really. Learn as you go. Learn from your mistakes. Try and avoid repeating past mistakes. All you can do is to look after yourself. Be the best person to yourself. Be kind to future you. Alright, what was I doing? Before I went off on a tangent. So I got that. All the objectives need updating on it. But other than that, we're all right. We've done the. Was that the low numbers? No, that's the high numbers. So now we get to do the others. So moderate. So medium. Moderate. Moderate. Okay. So that's slight, and that's a high. Then it goes to medium, high, medium, high, medium. Might need another faction state. Yeah. Severe now. What happened to RFL stuff? Never mind. I'll not copy that before and what? Yeah, okay. That should be okay. Save. Now what I want to do So we got this, that. What's the props? All right, props is stuff we don't care about. Or if we like have a look at you, maybe reset that. No associations used for props. Play faction, not friend nor foe. To any faction. Eesh. Uh, hmm. F1 neutral, F2 enemy. Yeah. So, opponent. Friend. Oh no, enemy. So this is more like true neutral. True neutral. No, wrong one. That's not true neutral. Dumbass. Uh, so we are true neutral, we're neutral too. Everyone. And then And we have the enemy faction. We're saying enemy is a player faction and also the player neutral only faction. And then when we look at player neutral one, then the enemy faction is the enemy faction. And then we look at the true neutral, and then there's no one there. Oh, that's what I get for shoehorning into existing faction system, which never was really fleshed out. Yeah, but at least we found a way to get around it. Ugh. I think I'll end streaming there. Oh, yeah. Need a bit of a break and a rest. You're wondering what I'm working on? Oh, how does this work in this channel? No. Only works there. Huh. Rubbish. Also, why is it listed it twice? Did it list it twice because I put demo in there? No? Oh, yeah, it did. Ha! Crazy piece of software. I need to sort that out. Well, oh. Ugh. Copy. Wait a moment. Come over. Paste. Ah, there we go. So yeah, I am working on a space combat game. After completing my first one with fighters, this one is now to do with Corvette ships, so it's a step up in size of ship. We don't need the music on, do we? First third person, you got turrets, which are support weapons, your primary weapons, missile weapons. Do your most damage. We've got directives, like if you ever played Free Space, so it's mission based. Objective based missions, as I say. We've got monitoring, so if you've got particular friendly units you need to protect, then you can see what the status is and decide who you need to protect. You've got wingmen, you can give them orders. And it is a single player campaign. You play campaign missions which are story based, and then you get side missions, spacing out those main missions, which are a bit more randomly selected from a pool of scripted missions that I've done to add a bit of variety with some variants of mission types to play. It's on Steam. There's a demo available. It's also in early access. So check it out. Wishlist it, buy it, try the demo.